function of it shifted, but the, shame didn't. And it was another few decades of really working through and understanding, what are the core features of why I do these things, whether it's quote unquote, self-destructive, like self-injury, or like, still also self-destructive, but like capitalistic and productive, right? Through like overachievement, overwork, perfectionism, because that's really what I turned to instead. And everyone celebrated these elements, but it was still just as destructive for me personally. And recognizing like it's all the same foundation, and, being able to honor the function of why I do any of the things, why anyone does any of the things that they do, is such a core element to healing and growth.
Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing that. And I just have so many thoughts and feelings about what you shared because, well, I guess I'll go with the feelings first because that's what seems to be coming up is when I saw your post, I was very moved because I saw it and I thought, wow, if someone had been able to explain that to me when I was a teenager, I can't imagine how much different I would have felt. I mean, I'm 50 years old, but and my life is much different, but 35 years of like, so it's not to say that your Instagram made me realize for the first time because I'm a therapist and I
Yeah,
do
right, right,
know
right.
these things,
Yeah.
but it just hit me because it was like, wow, how as a teen, if an adult who you are going to help you, like you're hurting your body because you feel bad inside for some reason. And there's a good reason why you feel that way. And you're trying to survive this. So you go to an adult helping professional and they say, this person's going to help you feel better, or this person's going to fix you, whatever they tell you. And then you go and then they say, you can't do these things. These are very bad things. You are a very sick person. This is very bad. You have to stop or you won't be able to come here. And then you're like, oh no, I'm so messed up.
There was a period in my teen years when I was like really in the throes of it where I thought like, you know what? I'm just going to become an institutionalized person because I am so messed up. I don't deserve to like have a regular
Oh
life. Like I
man.
cannot be